Ella, look at it's your baby brother. We just brought him home today.
Look at him kick.
Baby Oliver. You girls interested in him, huh? I know it's not time for you to actually be able to be around him yet. Oh, look at that yawn.
Jeez, he's already turned.
We have Grandma and Mama right there.
It's okay.
Oliver, this is going to be your video one day. You're going to hate us.
First time you meet your puppy sisters.
Yeah. You finally get to meet them.
Like puppy brother.
Oliver has two puppy sisters.
Good girls. Look at them both. They're being so good.
It's okay. It's okay.
Erie, stop your whining.
Scare him. Don't scare him.
And stop your whining, birdie girl. I can't pet you. I can't see where I'm at. There you go.
Good girls.
Good girl. Oh, good girl, Erie.
Oh, Oliver. Daddy's right here, Oliver.
He's like, I don't like that noise.
Oh,
Good girl, Ella.
you gonna protect him right there? I believe you will. I'll believe you protect him.
It's like, guys, I'm tired. Are we done yet?
When we think it's time for you girls to be introduced to him, we'll let you do it one at a time. But right now, it's not that
It's
time.
okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Is that really what turtle is in Spanish? Tortuga? Oh, I'm sorry.
Must be. Oh, goodness. Here's the...
Come here.
Yeah, I know.
I know. Mommy can't grab you quick enough.
He's wearing his jersey that we made for his Uncle Kyle.
Mommy will break his neck.
Do you want it?
Yeah, if you want to. Just on his cheek.
That's his jersey we made for his Uncle Kyle.
Grandma, try a little bit more.
Hey, hey, hey. Erie, now you need to relax like your sister.
Ella.
Oh, what a big yawn you have.
Ella's being so good.
Ella, you're being so good. Erie, calm down, baby.
It's okay.
Scared Ella because she moved
Because
it.
she moved the gate. Okay, Mama's gonna try and put you back down, okay?
Stop trying to choke yourself. Well, that was on camera.
He figured if you guys are gonna sabotage me, I'm gonna get some too.
Look at that cute little Oliver.
Oh,
Good girl, Ella. Maybe I'll just do this next time. I'll try. I'll have it ready.
Who can take you, little Oliver? It's his first day home. Oh.
it's okay, Erie. It's okay.
It's okay, Elsa. I know. She's making a funny noise, huh?
You got your eyes open, buddy. You finding your thumb? Those eyes are wide open right now. Big yawn.
Not like half second.
You're fine, honey.
Good girl, Eloise.
You girls are being so
You
good.
are being really good.
Now, do you think for tonight they should sleep in with me, or do you want to try them in with you?
He should be fine.
Okay.
We need to block him off so that way they can't be jumping.
Oh,
Yeah.
That shouldn't be too hard.
Just gotta be careful when you get up to feed them. They're
Up on my couch most of the time.
it's really not a bad place to sleep
It's comfy.
if you can sleep.
Do you
so.
see what he... They said that's a startle reflex. I don't think that's what it looks like.
Is shivering? It is cold in here because we have the windows open.
It is chilly, but
He's, well, maybe. That was a startle reflex.
Yeah. Eerie, knock it off.
almost had the belly.
Ella, look at Diddy. Hi, Ella. Hi.
All right, handsome. You ready to be swaddled back up?
Okay. Dave's gonna put the camera away so he can swaddle you back up, okay? I love you, Oliver. I love you bunches, buddy.
Oh, found a finger.
Daddy loves you, Oliver.